nagbabalik po ang Good Morning Kapatid! Oras po natin ngayong Martes, 6:14. Good morning to po. Nanay, tatay, tito, tita, ang kapatid po nating si Maui, di pa rin tapos sa pag-iikot ng international flavors. Kain lang ng kain tong babaeng to eh. This time, Vietnamese food naman ang kanyang i-explore. Mau! Ano nga bang meron dyan sa Santa Cruz, Manila?
Hello, Kuya Andre, at good morning po sa ating mga kapatid. Naku, tama ka, talagang iniikot natin ang iba't ibang klase ng cuisine for this week. Kung kahapon, French with a twist of Filipino. Today naman po, Vietnamese food. O, diba? Napakasarap. At dito po tayo ngayon sa Somot Viet Taste dito po sa Santa Cruz, Manila. At para pag-usapan po ang kanilang mga pagkain, tawagin po natin si Miss Hua at si Miss AJ. Hello! You greet our kapatids. Good morning!
Good morning!
Ayan. Okay, I'm so excited because ako personally, milig po ako sa Vietnamese food. Because Vietnamese food for me is healthy, very fresh. Pero what do wait, first of all, I want to ask pala, how do you pronounce the name of the restaurant? It is, in Tagalog, if you read it in Filipino, it's Somot. But how do you pronounce it in Vietnamese?
In Vietnamese, we say that show mode.
Show mode. What does it mean, show mode?
Show mode is mean number one in English.
Oh, number one, show mode. Good morning, kapatid. Show mode, ganon. I love it. Okay, yung show mode, can you tell us, when did it start?
The show mode is start on 2015.
Okay.
And this year, we are celebrating 10 years anniversary. She's the founder opened the door to welcome customers.
Yes. Almost 10 years ago.
Yes,
wow.
10 years ago.
Nice, very nice. Matagal ng show mode. Okay, what makes it special, you think, show mode compared to the other Vietnamese restaurants?
So, the special about Vietnamese food or show mode is that we serve healthy food, balanced with we use herbs like came from Vietnamese, and then we offer taste and nutrition to balance the food, and also this is a symbol of culture and hospitality.
Oh yes, and you know, like you said nga, Vietnamese food is really healthy and fresh.
Yes.
And there are herbs like you mentioned that you can only get from Vietnam.
Yes.
So talagang kinukuha niyo pa from Vietnam yung ingredients niyo.
Yes, and then
authentic
cooked by our chef from Vietnam as well.
Oh nice. What are your best sellers here in Show Mode?
Best sellers is banh mi.
Banh mi is the sandwich.
The sandwich.
Okay.
Yes. And then the pho bo noodles.
Yeah,
Pho
the
bo duck,
pho, yeah.
And then the best seller is the roasted herbs duck. That is the signature dishes that we have.
Yes. Which speaking of, nandito po ngayon sa harap natin, ito yung kanilang roasted herb duck, tama ba? Ayan. Pero kasi, alam mo, nakakatuwa, tayong mga Pinoy, mahilig tayo sa sabaw. No, kahit pa summer, we love soup, the Filipinos. And we also love Vietnamese food. And duck also we love, to be honest with you. Okay, etong duck nyo na to, ano yung ilalagay natin on top?
This is the sauce for our duck. So
Okay.
we have to pour it here. So any size naman.
Any side. So I can pour pa ganon.
Yes.
Okay. So ito yung duck sauce. Parang duck drippings ba to? Or just
Yes.
duck? So matamis-tamis po ito?
Yes po.
Ay, pwede bang ikalat na ganon?
Yes po.
Pwede naman. Ayan.
Yes.
Ang laki ng duck! Oh my gosh. Good for how many to? Tong duck na to?
Good for 5 persons.
5 persons. So paano siya kinakain, itong duck na to?
Actually, pwede siyang i-chop. Chop natin siya
Yes.
by our chef. And then, we also serve it like as a chicken din. Ganon. But
okay.
meron din kami sa noodles namin which is polvit.
Okay.
Yung meron kaming meat doon ng duck.
Okay.
And then, we serve it sa rice meal also.
Rice meal pwede. Kasi
Pwede
di ba
rin.
sa Chinese food, minsan the Peking duck, they wrap it, di ba? But
Yes.
this one, you can eat it alone. Pwede rin po sa kanin.
Yes.
Manamis-namis din po ito, yung timpla niya.
Yes po.
Ay, okay. Ang sarap. At saka maliban po, syempre, sa duck yun nga. Pag sinabi natin Vietnamese food, yung pho, which is the noodles, is good.
Noodles.
Very good also. And the spring rolls.
Spring rolls. We have fried rolls.
Yes.
And then, we also have fresh.
Oh, yung sarap.
Fresh
At like I
rolls.
said, sobrang healthy.
Sobrang healthy.
Oo. At saka yung fresh po kasi mga kapatid, may peanut sauce yun, tama?
Yes,
O, diba? Ano talaga ako? Fan talaga ako ng Vietnamese food. Ako talaga bata pa lang ako kahit po nung tumira kami sa US, Vietnamese food yung hanap ng mommy ko. So medyo nakasanayan ko rin po talaga kumain ng Vietnamese food. Na ayan na nga, sobrang excited na ako mga kapatid. Kaya mamaya po sa ating pagbabalik sa On The Go, titikman na po natin yung kanilang duck at iba pang dishes nila ha. Kaya Miss AJ, Miss Hua, please stay with me. Later we will try the food, okay?
Okay.
Ang cute ni Miss Hua. She's so pretty. Ayan po mga kapatid, back to the studio muna.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Maui.
Ang bunso po nating si Maui. Wow, talumpati. Alam mo yun? Alam mo nung bata ako, public school. Balagtasan.
Talaga?
Number 1 kami dyan.
Nasa pa si Maui ngayon.
Oh, Felix Berto Serrano Elementary School. Kaway-kaway po sa lahat ng mga
Kamuning
kaklase ko.
Elementary School.
Oh, di ba? Oh, pero wala sa Kamuning, wala rin sa Parañaque ni Maui. So, ready na siyang tumikim at magpatakam sa ating ngayong umaga. Nasa Somo, Viet. Oh, di ba?
Ayun, Santa Cruz, Manila.
Oh, ganun nga. Parañaque. Tapos saan ka?
QC.
QC, Santa Cruz, Manila. Ikot tayo eh. Somot Viet
Walang
Taste
pinamang.
para po matikman niya niya. Ano, Mau, ano ba mga best sellers nila dyan?
Hi, Mama Dims! Oh my gosh! Namimiss ko na naman ang kulitan nyo sa studio. At yan, sabay-sabay nating tuklasan ano nga ba mga bestsellers. At dito yan sa Somot Viete, dito po sa Santa Cruz, Manila. At marami pong nakakain sa harap ko ngayon. Sana nandito kayo para sabay-sabay nating tikman. Pero para pag-usapan po ang kanilang mga bestsellers dito. Tawagin po natin ulit si Miss Hua and Miss AJ. Ayan, kasama rin natin sila. Wait, I learned something new. So to say hi in Vietnamese is Xin Chào.
Yes, it's Xin Chào.
Xin Chào. Okay, Xin Chào. Ganda, di ba? Wait, I noticed you're wearing is this a traditional Vietnamese dress?
It is our traditional Vietnamese.
Nice, very pretty, the Vietnamese traditional dress, very nice. Okay, let's proceed na. Tikman na po natin ang food. Pero una natin titikman ang kanilang soup. At para po i-pour yung soup sa kanilang best-selling na soup, tawagin po natin si Chef Huy. Ayan, hi Chef Huy. Good morning, Xin Chào. Ayan, Chef, what do you call this soup? It's very hot.
It's beef soup.
Beef soup. Okay, Chef Huy is also from Vietnam. He is the chef, so very authentic talaga yung food dito. Yun po yung maganda dito sa Somot kasi talagang pati chef nila yung gumagawa ingredients. They are all from Vietnam or they're Vietnamese. So very authentic. Wow, so same soup, ha? Same base, Chef Huy. Chef Huy, thank you! Say bye-bye to our kapatids. Okay, ayan na, pinurna ni Chef itong soup. Okay, isa-isahin po natin ang mga pagkain na nanaan dito. So this is the...
This is beef noodle soup. Yes, and this is roast duck.
Okay, and then this one.
And fresh spring roll.
Yes.
And it's bánh mì.
Okay,
And
bánh mì.
Yeah, bánh mì. We
Yes.
have the BBQ and chicken and plate. Yeah.
Okay,
And
and then?
this is the
Crispy
fried
spring
spring
roll.
roll. Yes.
Okay.
And this is roasted
Duck.
duck.
Which is one chopped duck already. Ayan. Okay, at syempre, hindi naman tayo makakakain ng walang drinks. So ngayon naman, tawagin po natin si Sir Warlito para bigyan tayo ng fresh calamansi juice. Hi, Sir Warlito! Thank you. Hindi naman po kayo mahilig sa gera, Sir Warlito. At please, thank you, sir. Okay. Wow, calamansi juice, very fresh. Ayan, sarap. Yung timpla is from Vietnamese, ano? Okay, from Vietnam. Okay, ako, I'm so excited. I want to try first the duck. Okay, because the duck is your best seller. How long do you cook the duck? How long? Mabilis lang ba ito? Lutuin? How long? How many hours? 12 hours? 3 hours?
Yes.
12
hours. Yes.
Half a day? Oh my God! Half a day siya niluluto, so dapat talaga kainin natin to. Okay, I want to start with the leg. Look at this.
You know, because the roast beef, we have the magmas leaves. Only in Vietnam we have that one, and we bring that come to in the Philippines.
Oh, okay. And then this one is the sauce for the duck, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, ito na mga kapatid. Meron pang balat yung duck. The sauce is very tasty. but there's a hint of spice. May konti siyang, there's a little bit of sipa, no? Ang sarap. Sakto lang. At yung duck niya malambot. It's soft. It's tender. I love it. Okay, magkano nagsa-start yung duck?
Yung duck natin, for a whole duck, it's 2,200. And then we also sell a half of it, 1,200. For quarter, it's 680.
Okay. Pero you can share it naman kasi.
Yes, we can share it for one whole duck. You can share it to 6 to 8 people or 5. It depends on.
Okay, there's one more I want to try. Ako personally, like I said, I am a fan of the spring rolls, but I want to try the crispy one kasi medyo mahirap lang kainin yung fresh, no? Pero let's try the crispy one. So ito, para siyang lumpiang siya sa Pilipino, pero iba yung laman niya.
Yes.
Okay, then you dip it here. Ano to, vinegar? Parang vinegar? Mix of vinegar, no? Okay, let's try it. Ano naman?
It's veggies inside.
Veggies?
Yeah, we have the beef. We have the pork, and mushroom, carrots, and some the Vietnamese.
Ang sarap, mga kapatid. Oh my gosh. Okay. So the sauce is ano siya, suka na manamis-namis. I love it. Nasarapan ako. Pero mo, kasi para sa akin, konti lang talaga yung authentic na Vietnamese food dito sa Pilipinas. At I can really say, sobrang sarap nung inyo. At authentic kasi nga naman, yung owner po, Vietnamese. And yung chef nila, Vietnamese, diba? So talagang authentic. Wala ka nang iba talagang magsasabi pa. At masarap. Okay, so mga kapatid natin, nag-gusto lang i-try ang Shomot Vietnamese. Saan po kayo mahanap at paano?
Meron po kaming Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and also we have so.mot.com.ph.
Ayun. And then, may kayo contact number?
Yes, we have contact number also.
Okay, that you can check na lang sa Instagram or Facebook
Yes, and
page.
Facebook.
At pag-hindi natin, you have 3 branches.
Yes, we have
Saan?
we have branches in Pioneer, and we have Unimart also, all in Capital Pasig.
Ayun, panalo. Alam niyo na mga kapatid, pag kayo nagkikrave ng masarap na Vietnamese food, dito lang po kayo sa Shomot Vietnamese. Miss Hua, thank you so much. And thank you, Miss AJ.
Thank you,
Of course, the
Miss
chef and Sir Warlito. Maraming salamat po. And that is it for this morning's On The Go. But bago tayo mag-go, bibigyan din namin kayo ng masarap na pagkain na banh mi. Na ako talaga, gusto ko talaga ipatry ito sa aking Kuya Andre kasi Kuya Andre, maraming gulay. This is for you.
Oh, diba?
Yung isa, naging tatlo.
Siyempre, ganun. Pag
Ayan,
nagbabiyahe
oh.
yung sandwich,
Oh.
dumadami. Oh,
Okay,
go,
Maui,
Andre.
maraming salamat. At sa Somot.
Somot, sarap.
Yun, oh. Thank you. Maraming salamat po.
Wow, ang laki niya, no?
Grabe,
Oh,
mabuhay po
diba?
kayo. Thank you so
Busog na
much.
busog tayo niyan,
May pa-take
Angela.
home pa.
Oo,
Oo.
thank you.
Mga kapatid, Maui David po. Simula ng inyong araw na may alam at may pakialam sa mga may init at umaaksyong balita sa bansa. Para maging una sa balitaan, mag-subscribe at mag-follow sa social media pages ng News 5.